Hello everyone, welcome to another session with Miracle Ugwebu. And in this session, I'll be teaching you how to use the PixelLab app. I believe you have seen so many beautiful designs out there, so many wonderful and amazing designs, and you wonder how do people even do these designs? And some will even tell you it is done with their smartphone, and you are like, how? How is it even done? Or probably you have even been introduced to the PixelLab app, but you cannot just navigate your way through. This is what this video will be teaching you. Okay, so in this video I will just show you around the PixelLab app and how to use the PixelLab app very well to create wonderful and amazing and beautiful designs. Okay, so it is very achievable. Creating beautiful designs in the PixelLab app is very achievable. Okay, let me just show you some designs I created with this app. Okay, here is one of them created with the PixelLab app. You can see that I'm opening them right in this app. Okay, so I created this also with the PixelLab app. There is nothing that you cannot design in this app. Okay, now here is this one I created. Now you can see it. It's not like the picture you see out there and somebody say, look at the I created it in the PixelLab app, and you are like, how did you even do it? Is this real? Look at this beautiful flyer you are seeing here, created in the PixelLab app. Okay, it is achievable. It is something that you can do. If I can do it, you can do it. First of all, you need to understand everything about the PixelLab app. Okay, and after that, you need to understand the basics of graphic design. So if you want to be an outstanding designer just like me, do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also comment, share this with your friends, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you can keep updated, because I am out to teach you. I am out to help you, even though you have not designed for the first time, even though it is your first time hearing what graphic design entails. I am here to hold your hand and walk you through until you are able to make your first designs and become a professional graphic designer yourself. So in this video, I will help you, teach you everything I know, guide you, give you a proper overview of the PixelLab app. All right, so you are in the right place. If you can see this video, you are in the right place. Do well to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. Okay, once again, I am Miracle Ugwebu, and I will be walking you through the PixelLab app. All right, so let's just take an overview of how the PixelLab app look like. Now, first of all, when you go to your phone and you tap on the app, it will come up like this. All you need to do is tap on this and then you click on delete, and it has gone. Now, this is the interface to which you will design. All right, let's say you want to change this color. You just come and tap here and you keep scrolling. Sorry, tap here, you keep scrolling, you see the color, and you can just change the color to any color you decide to use. All right, you want it to be two colors. This is gradient. Okay, go over to gradient, look at it. You can just put a color, all right, and another color, and you have created your design. Okay, want it to be maybe in another direction. This is it. You want it to be in another direction. This is it. Just you keep doing it to suit the kind of design that you want. Okay, so this is how it works, to give your interface, the background you are working with, a good color that you decide for your background. Okay, you can also introduce images. All right, now before I teach you about how to bring in images, you can also change the size of this your design. One thing about this PixelLab app is that you can use it to create designs for your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or social media platforms. All right, you just come here, you can see what I did. Click on the three dots above, go to image size, simple, tap on it. You want a square or custom, it will give you want to design something for your WhatsApp profile picture. You can use this profile picture square format. It will give it to you 1:1. Okay, 1:1. You want to create a YouTube channel banner or a YouTube thumbnail. What do I mean by YouTube thumbnail? I believe you visit YouTube and you see that, just like you have seen my video and you've seen the intro, like the flyer that introduces whatever video they are trying to display. Maybe learn how to bake cake. You see the image of the person. That's what we called YouTube thumbnail. You can create it here. All you need to do is just select what you want. You want to create your Facebook cover art. Maybe you are a business owner and you want to create a Facebook cover art. Very simple. Tap on this place, click OK. It will give you the size. You start your design, simple as ABC. Alright, you want a Twitter head site, click on this place. That's okay. So it is very simple. You want to create images for your Instagram, okay? You can take the ratio of 3:4, 3:4, okay? This is it. You are good to go. It is that simple. Nothing difficult there, alright? Alright, so this is it. So dear, whatever design you want to do, just make sure you are sure of your size. And one beautiful thing about this is that you can use PixelLab to create designs that will be printed out on banners. I do that a lot. All you need to do, if your clients reach out to you and say, can you make designs for me for my business? Yes, let them tell you the size, okay? The size they want. If they say I need a 2x3 flyer or I need a 4x5 flyer, very simple. You just come to PixelLab and put whatever size they want. Maybe let's say they want a 2x3 flyer. That is, the height will be longer, okay? That is the vertical height longer. Then the width, the horizontal, sorry, the width is the horizontal. 2. You just do it and it has given you, when you finish designing this thing, you save it, you go to the place for printing. It will make your work not to even have any problem or scatter. All you need to do is to send the work that you have designed to the people that will print the design and you are good to go. They just take it, put it in their system, maybe you send it through USB cord or Bluetooth or whatever, and they print. It is as simple as ABC. So PixelLab is a very wonderful app. It is user friendly. I love this app so much and I use it a lot to create beautiful design. PixelLab has even made me, for me, I've fallen in love with the app that even using other app is like, I'm wasting my time. You know why I like this is because you can be anywhere at any time doing work for your clients. Maybe you are traveling and you just got an urgent work. You can just be with your phone, unlike your system, maybe where you need to use the Photoshop or the Canva, sorry, or the Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or the Corel Draw, sorry, yes, Corel Draw, that's what I wanted to say. Maybe you want to make a design. Instead of it, maybe you cannot carry your laptop all around or bring out your laptop in the vehicle and start designing. You can just pick up your smartphone with the PixelLab app. You open it and you are designing. Nobody even know what you are doing. So PixelLab is user friendly. It is very, 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 user friendly. You can do a lot of things with this app, okay? You can do a lot of things. Now this is the sticker section. You want to bring in stickers for your design. Just take a look at it. Take a look at it. So whatever sticker you need, you tap on it, okay? You don't need to click on the good, just tap on the screen like I did, okay? Most of the times when you click, it can disappear, okay? There's this particular sticker I normally use. All right, so in all cases anyways, you can just, okay, let's try this, let's try it and see how it goes. Good. Okay, with the good, it stays. All right, so you can use these stickers for various things. All right, I love this app so much. You can even draw. Look at this part, look at this part where I drew, where I clicked on this part, this draw part, okay? Maybe to draw something with my hand. All right, to use for my designs. All right, this is it. Good. You can draw whatever it is you want, okay? You can use it, all right, to make your design beautiful. All right, so whatever it is you want to do with the draw tool, very, very, very simple, okay? You can use it. You can even, let's use that draw tool again. You can, okay, let's say I want to draw and I want to fill it up. I want to fill it up. Now I drew this and I need it to be filled up. Look at it. All right, I just click on the good part and I can just tap on this place to increase it. increase it, to reduce it, on this place to rotate it. Okay, so that is it. It is very, very user friendly. There are so many things you can do with the PixelLab app. All right, so many things you can do. Now let's say you want to make this your background to look more quartz in texture. Now let me change this color. Let me change this color. This color. Okay. Now I don't like this color. Let me go for something else. This is it. Now you can come to this place to add a noise effect. You see, to change the texture of the background, you can enhance it. All right, that is it. Now you can add this, whatever it is, you can increase the size, reduce the size, sorry, reduce it, depending on the design you want to create. Maybe you are designer, you made a mistake and you preferred what you doing before than this the present outcome. Just tap on this arrow, keep going back. You see it, I've gone back to where I was before. So it's simple. You can add stripes. Okay, whatever way you want to increase the brightness of your design, contrast, you can, you see, giving you a different variation of that color. Okay, okay, now you can decide to go back to where we first started. All right, so using the PixelLab app is very, very simple. Now if you want to bring in images into this app, what do? Just tap on plus sign, go to your gallery. Okay, now let me bring in this image. Okay, and then you tap on it. Good. So this is it. You have succeeded in bringing whatever image you want to bring. You can adjust your image by dragging it downward, dragging towards the side, increasing it here, rotating it. Okay, so this is how to bring in images into the PixelLab app. It is very, very simple and very user friendly. Let's go back again. Okay, so I am back to where we first started. All right, and this PixelLab, I love it so much. It contains quotes. Okay, look at it, quotes. It contains, guys, just tap on it. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Whatever quotes you want to use for your design, so many quotes are here. You just tap on it. Okay, tap on it. You want to change the language, you see where I tapped? Yeah. Okay, you want just motivational quotes, look at it, quote on friendship, it will give you. All right, let's tap on this one and it just appears. Okay, it is important to our friends to believe that we are unreservedly frank with them, and important to friendship that we are not. All right, so this is it. It depends on what you want. All right, what you want. You can delete it, just tap on this flag, delete, or you just go back, you keep going back till you get to the point where you are okay. All right, now let's say you want to write yourself. You just tap on this a sign, you tap on it, you see this plus sign, plus is there, then you tap on edit, you cancel it, you type what you want to type. Let's say you are typing happy birthday, happy birthday mom, happy birthday mom. This is it. Okay, you see how I dragged it from there, I drag it. Now in there are cases where you finish typing and you can't drag. Okay, there's no big deal. When you are finding it difficult to drag, you just keep scrolling, make sure it's tapped, don't leave it like this. Okay, if you want to be able to access edit it, you tap on it. Okay, make sure it's tapped, you keep scrolling to size and you increase the size. Do you see what I'm doing? You can increase the size, whatever size you want. Okay, you can even use this arrow here to move it. Okay, move it to the right position. You want to go like this, you want to go like this. You want it to move slowly, you take it backward. You want it to move faster, you take it downward. You can move fast, move to whatever direction, or you want to just use instantly to take it up or down or sideways or in the middle. This is it. So whatever you want to do. All right, yes. Now let's say you want to increase this spacing, you want to curve this writing. Look at me, I curved it. See, using that part, make sure it is tapped. If you don't tap it, you will not be able to achieve this. All right, you won't be able to achieve this. Now you can even come to this place to make it bold, turn it to italics, underline it. Do you see what I did? So long as it is tapped, okay, you want to remove what you just did, the italics or the underlining, you come to this way, you cancel out. So I've made this right up bold. All right, you want to increase the spacing. Look at it, I'm increasing the spacing of the writing. All right, okay. Now let's say I wrote on that thing under, let's say, happy birthday mom, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best, or long life and prosperity. Now look at this. Look at this. Now I want to maybe increase the spacing between these two, and I don't want to write it differently. I want it to be together. What do? I come to this place. Instead of increasing it horizontally, I come here, increase it vertically. Do you see what is happening? It's increasing vertically, okay, to wherever I want. Now I want this my right up to be in the middle, to be aligned in the middle. I come to this alignment. Look at me, it is in the middle. If I do it like this, it will align to the left. Like this aligns to the right. So I will do a video on alignment so that you can really understand what I mean. Okay, you'll use alignment for your designs to make your design look outstanding. So you can align this either to the side, left, to the right, to the middle. All right, to give you what you want. Now this is not so visible. Okay, let me do another one so that you can understand what I mean. Let's go to this plus sign. You edit it, cancel out. You are the best mom in the world. Okay, it's a blessing to have you. I think this one will be very, very visible. Now this is it. Okay, so let's make it bold again. Okay, and then let's give it that let's increase. You can increase it here too, or you go to that, you can increase it here, or you go to that size, all right, to increase the write up. Okay, now I want to make it bold. Okay, it's bold already. And then the alignment, I want a center alignment. Now it's very visible. Do you see? I just tap on the center. You want a left right alignment or a left alignment. Do you see it? I love this center alignment. Okay, you can also change the color of your write up to whatever color that you desire. Look at it. Look at it. You don't like the color here, you can click on the plus sign and tap on any of this color, any of this color that you want. Keep adjusting it, you get what you want. Okay, you keep adjusting it till you get what you want. Okay, yes. So you need to use a color that is okay, that will make your design to your write up to be very visible. Okay, so I use this yellow color. You are the best mom in the world. Now let's say you don't like any of the colors there and you want to use another color that is not even inside the PixelLab. It is simple. Go to the plus sign, go to your gallery, choose the image you want. Okay, if you can't find it, you know how to navigate through your phone. Maybe you tap on this sign, you browse, go to the particular place where that image is saved. Okay, depending on your phone, the format of your phone. Now let's do something. Now I want to use another color here. I like this color. Let's want to use this brown. All you need to do is to bring in this. Okay, let's bring in this. You see the way I'm cropping it. Okay, to get the exact side I want. See, I move it, I'm moving that arrow. So I'll just put my hand on the screen and keep moving to get what I want, and I just click on good. It is here. Now I click on this place, I go to my color, I go to my plus sign, I come to this place instead, and I tap on it. I tap on the one I want, I select the one I want, I tick my good. Okay, do you see? It just gave me that color, even though it's not so bright. Let's choose another one again. Let's choose another one again. Color. All right, color. Go to my plus sign, I'll go to this part, I'll come here. Okay, okay, okay. Even though I chose, just I cropped it, the all of the picture keeps reflecting. Okay, let me choose this and see how it looks. Click on good, you click on okay. So this is it. Okay, so we have successfully used a color that is not even in the PixelLab color suggestion. So that is how it is used. Okay, now you can also change the font. You can also change the font. How do you do it? You go to fonts. Do you see where I clicked? Make sure you are clicked. If you are not clicked on it, you can't use those features. So click on the text you want to edit. Keep moving, scroll down to font. This is font, okay. Now you go to my font. Okay, this is my font I imported into this graphic, into the PixelLab app, but this is the original font that come with the PixelLab app. I will make a video on how you can download fonts, any font you like, and bring them into the PixelLab app. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that you will get that video when I send it across. When I upload it on YouTube, you will get it, because I'm going to make sure I make another video where I'll be teaching you how to import your fonts, download fonts, how you can get fonts, how you can import, because most of the fonts in this PixelLab are not professional fonts. Okay, now let's say I want to use this font. I can just scroll down, keep scrolling to the one I like, or I go to my fonts, I just keep scrolling. Let me tap on this go bold. All right, so this is it. I've been able to change my writing successfully without any stress. I've changed my writing without any stress. So this is it. I can delete that image by clicking on delete. Okay, so this is it. Remember, we are not creating a design. I'm only just showing you how you can successfully make use of this PixelLab app. It is very simple. I can also turn my text to what we call a 3D text. I can rotate my text here to whatever direction. You see, rotate it to whatever direction I want to. I can also create a 3D text by tapping on 3D. Look at it. Do you see? I can go to oblique to increase it. I can reduce it, and to give it a 3D effect, I can change that color. All right, I can change the color by clicking on color. Do you see? I've changed the color. All right. Yes, I think I like this. I've changed the color. Do you see it? Okay, that is a 3D effect. Do you know I can change the direction of that 3D effect? I can change. This is the depth. The depth is okay. We gave it 2. All right. I can change it. I can darken it more. Darken it more. Can change the direction. Do you see? Clicking on the bulb and turning it to whatever direction you want it to go. Sorry. Okay. Do you see? You see, good. Now let's remove this. I can also add a shadow effect. We have what we call an inner shadow effect or an outer shadow. Do you see what I did? I just added an inner shadow effect to my writing. An inner shadow effect. An inner shadow effect. I just added an inner shadow effect to this write up. Okay. You can also add an outer shadow effect. Let's go to outer shadow. Look at, right? You can add um outer shadow effect. You can increase the direction. Okay, this is the direction downward. Yeah, you are adding a shadow effect to your write up to make it look more real and more beautiful. Now I can also make my writing to have a different line color and the body color. Look at what I mean. Now let's go to stroke. You click on stroke, you allow it. Now I can change my, do you see it? This is whatever color I want. Let me give it a white color instead. And you can increase the thickness or reduce it to whatever way you want. To whatever thickness you want. So this is 3. Okay, I like it on 2. Yes, so this is it. So this is how you can just use the PixelLab app, okay, to in whatever way you want, whatever thing you want to use it for. So as you keep using the app, you will keep discovering more about it, more and more about the PixelLab app. Now there may be a design you are doing, sorry, and you want to get a proper alignment. I will also make a video on alignment. You can use this. You see where I tap? You can also tap on it to adjust wherever you want. Now let's say I want to adjust that my design should start from this place. Now I can, that will be like my ruler that will guide me. Okay, that is if the all the write up. Now let me make all of this write up to be like on the left hand side alignment. Good. So I want them to be on the same line, not scattering. Now my design can look beautiful. I made use of this grid. Okay, do you see it? You see it as my measurement to say, okay, this is where my design starts from and this is where it ends, so that I can have something good and not an awkward or a quack design. Okay, so that's it. That's it for that. And then, all right, do you know that you can also use images for your background color? How do you do that? How do you use images for your background color? Now this is it. You click on these three dots. All right, you use images. Now I don't have any nice image here, but let me see. I'll just okay, let me click on this. Okay, and I adjust it to with the part I need. Okay, okay, look at it. I have changed this my background to another image. If I don't want to do it that way, I can just simply, let's go back. I can just, let me change the color. I can just simply get that image I want and I'll just drag it. Let me see, I'm using this, I'll just drag it. Okay, and I'll take it to the back. You see what I did? I tap on this part, click on it, drag it to the back. Do you see? Or you can just come here, you will see it there. When you tap on the image, you come to this place, okay, that looks like a type of a polygon. You move it, you see it sent to the front, sent to the back. We have successfully sent it to the back. All right, now let's talk about shapes. Now we have various kind of shapes in the PixelLab app. Look at it. You click on shape, a triangle appears. You don't need a triangle. You can just tap on this place, choose whatever shape you want, it will just appear. Now let's say you don't need the shape. You can change the color of the shape either using this color here or going to this color here. Do you see it? Now to give it maybe a color, one singular color, or a gradient color where you mixed two colors together. All right, yes. Now let's say you don't need this particular, you don't need the shape, but you just need the lines. You can just do what, reduce the opacity, what we call opacity. It takes away the shape while you come and increase the line of the stroke line, and then you color it. So what you have here is just the line, depending on the design you want. So you need to be creative as a designer. Okay, so this is how you can be able to achieve this. So the PixelLab app, it is very friendly, user friendly. All right, now you want to zoom your work to see it very well. See what I did? All right, maybe you are drawing something or you want to play something rightly and it's so small. You tap on the zoom, you zoom it. After you zoom it, you tap it out so that you can allow it, can allow you to edit. Once you are done editing, you tap on it, you tap on this part, it will go back. All right, you have successfully used the zoom tool. Now do you know you can erase things on the PixelLab app? And you can erase. How do you do it? You come to your eraser, look at me, tap on what you want to erase, keep moving, come to the eraser, look at it, you can just erase. Okay, you can even increase the size of your eraser and you keep erasing, to whatever part you want. All right, you can go back. Let's say you made a mistake while erasing, and you prefer what you had before, you can keep going back until you are satisfied. All right, yes, you can even have a blur effect. Maybe you want that your thing you are doing to have a blur effect. All right, see, this is it, okay, good. So it has a blur effect. All right, yes, look, let me show you the difference between this. Copy, I copy. This is what I did. I tap on this, I just press on copy and it's copied. Okay, let's go back to the eraser tool and let me go back. Do you see? I went back. Now let me clean without using the blur effect. Now one reason why you need that blur eraser is that it makes whatever you are designing to blend with your background. That is if you want it. Do you see the difference between these two? It is visible that I cut it, but here it has blended with my background because I use that blur eraser effect. All right, so that is how to make use of the eraser tool for your graphic design. I've told us about shadow. Now let me talk about perspective. Yes, for text, tap on this text, you can go to perspective, go to text, a, that's letter A, come to perspective. Now it helps you to adjust your design to whatever way you want. Maybe you don't want to rotate, you want to make it more bigger, or you want to give it another direction. Do you see what I did? We have created something beautiful as well. All right, using that perspective tool. Now let's say you are designing, you forgot to save and you lost your work. How do? You tap on this place, recover auto, and you tap on the particular time you lost that design. It will just appear again. All I did now was to just go back, because I had not even saved this. I will lose it if I tap on something else. The last edit I do will just come up. Okay, so I'll just scroll backward like this, and then I'm back to my design. That is how you can recover designs. Now how do you save your design? You have done your design, you are not even through, you want to continue next time. You tap on this part, you save it as a project. Birthday flyer, let's say birthday flyer. Okay, you just press okay. If you have used this kind of word before to save, if you have used this kind of word before to save, it will tell you. You just click okay. So let's check it. It has saved. You see it? Let me tap on it. Look at it, it has saved. So whenever you come to the app, it will just come up again. You will not see this interface, this default interface. You will not see it. You will see your design, your previous design. Now you want to go back to the design, or let's say it appeared like this. You don't need to panic, just come to my project. You tap on it. If you can see here, you see some project I have done. Some project some things I have designed. So you just tap on it and you are back, and you continue your design. All right, so I think this is where I would stop for now. Okay, I just remembered something. Let me show you this. Let me bring in an image. Let me bring in any image. All right, let's say, okay, let me bring in my image. Let's say I want to change the color of this image. I can come to, when after tapping it, I come to this part. If I want to reduce the opacity of this image now, to blend with my this background, this is what I did. I come to opacity. I can even give it a shadow effect if I like. Okay, so I can reduce the opacity, but I don't want to reduce the opacity. I want to maybe change the color. All right, okay, give me some time. um okay, so you come to color filters. Okay, now you can just change it. Okay, to just give you something else. Change, you just keep editing till you get what you want. All right, till you get what you want, you can change it. Okay, so I don't like this, I just cancel it. All right, so that is it. So as you keep using the app, you keep discovering how you can navigate your way through it. Okay, now you imported this image, you don't like all of this parts, you want to take some parts. What do? You just click on crop. It will allow you to crop it. You click on good. That is, if you forgot to crop it while bringing it in, you can crop it. You see, to the size that you want, you can just crop it. Okay, now what if I want to make this my image to be in a circular format? I'm designing and I need a circular shape, and I want to put it in a circle shape. This is a circle shape. Okay, now let me give it a color. I like this color. Now I want to put this image inside this what do I do? Now I would either I delete, or I edit this image by going to crop. I click on the circular part. Do you see it? So after putting that feature, I just click on my good. So it has given me a circular feature. So this image was here before the cycle. Okay, so you don't need to panic. You tap on it, you bring it to the front. This is it. Okay, and you insert it into that circle. You can do same for triangle as well. If it's just the line, let's say you don't want it, you just want this one to have a border line. What you do, just forget about this line. Once you import, you come here, go to that stroke like we did for the text, tap on it and change the color. You can also increase the stroke size. Okay, you can just increase the stroke size. You can increase it to what your desired size. So this is it. Okay, you can do that with different shape as well. Now you want to do it while you are bringing in the image. You want to do it while you are bringing in the image. As you tap on it, you just do it like that. Now it's oval, right? You can just keep tapping on all of these things here to get what you want. So I prefer this, and I can just adjust or reduce it till I get the particular place I want, and I crop it. Okay, so this is it. So this will be in front because the circle was there before I imported this. All right. So if the more you keep practicing, there are so many things you can do here. That's it. Look at it. Different arrows you want to use for your design. You click on it, click on good, it will appear. So the more you keep using this, the more you keep getting experiences, the more you keep finding your way around the app. All right. So you can also save your work. As you keep doing your designs, probably you've done that design before and you started again, you just click on save changes to update that your previous design. Now how do you now save this into your phone as an image? You click on save as image. I always advise that you don't use custom. To get a good quality image, you can save as very high or ultra. So click on it and save. You see that image will save. All right, and let me see it. Go to from gallery, look at the image here. I just imported it here now. Okay, see, this is it. So this is the basic things you just need to know about this graphic design application. So as I'll be taking your various design project, I'll be showing you how to use other tools that maybe may not be in this video. Okay, so you just make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Turn it on so that you can keep getting updates from me. All right, so this is where I'll wrap up for this session. I still remain Miracle Ukwebu, and I'm here to serve you value. I'm here to teach you and help you become a professional graphic designer just like myself. Till I come your way next time, make sure you don't forget to always look out for updates. And how can you always get informed? Is by turning on the notification bell and subscribing to this channel. Once again, go to the subscribe button, tap on it, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.